Washing machine market, 2026 to 2034. Industry overview. The global washing machine market size was valued at $58.8 billion United States dollars in 2025. Looking forward, Amark Group estimates the market to reach $81.7 billion United States dollars by 2034. CAGR of 3.72%, 2026 to 2034. Regional analysis. North America, Asia Pacific, Europe, Latin America, Middle East and Africa. Asia Pacific dominates the global washing machine industry in 2025 with a share of 33.8%. Analysis by application. Healthcare, hospitality, others. For more information,